Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 28th, 2026, and we're diving into Meta's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Meta's latest financial performance, especially given the significant developments in their business strategy and financial metrics.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Meta reported a revenue of $59.89 billion for the fourth quarter, marking a 24% increase year over year. For the full year 2025, revenue reached $200.97 billion. John, what are your thoughts on these figures?
These are impressive numbers, especially considering the competitive landscape. The 24% increase in quarterly revenue and 22% for the full year highlight Meta's strong market position and effective monetization strategies across its platforms. The operating margin, although slightly down from last year, remains robust at 41% for the quarter.
And what about profitability?
Net income for the fourth quarter was $22.77 billion, a 9% increase from the previous year. This growth in profitability, despite rising costs, underscores Meta's ability to scale its operations efficiently.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Meta's diluted earnings per share for the fourth quarter came in at $8.88, surpassing the analyst forecast of $8.32. John, how significant is this EPS beat?
This is a notable achievement for Meta. Beating the EPS forecast by 56, especially when 16 analysts were surveyed, indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management. It reflects positively on investor confidence and the company's strategic direction.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Meta's costs and expenses increased by 40% in the fourth quarter. How does this impact their operational efficiency, and what are the expectations for 2026?
The rise in costs is substantial, driven by investments in infrastructure and talent, particularly in AI. However, Meta's ability to maintain a strong operating margin suggests they are managing these expenses effectively. Looking ahead, Meta expects first quarter 2026 revenue between $53.5 and $56.5 billion, with full-year expenses projected at $162 to $169 billion, indicating continued investment in growth areas.
CEO's vision and strategic initiatives. Mark Zuckerberg mentioned advancing personal superintelligence as a key focus for 2026. How does this align with Meta's current strategic initiatives?
Meta is heavily investing in AI and immersive technologies, which aligns with Zuckerberg's vision. The increase in ad impressions by 18% and the average price per ad by 6% in the fourth quarter demonstrate Meta's effective monetization of its platforms. Additionally, the family daily active people metric, reaching 3.58 billion, highlights their expansive user base, which is crucial for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Meta has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter and full year 2025, with significant revenue growth and an EPS beat. Looking forward, their strategic investments in AI and infrastructure are set to drive future growth. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Meta's financials and future prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Meta's performance in the comments below.